In this video, we will learn how to use Sumif function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some sales data. So I am going to find out the profit as per the product. Product name will our criteria in Sumif function. So let's start. Just enter the is equal to, write the Sumif, tap it, and select the range of product name. Here you can see I have some huge data. There are 9995 row in this data. I select the full column of product name, then comma. Select your criteria. Criteria is a product name, then comma. Select the sum range. What you want output here. So here we want output profit as per the product name. So I select the full profit column also and just bracket close it. That's it. Here you can see the profit is 6.6612. If you want to check the profit, I just enter it 322 product profit it, sorry, profit is 6.6612. Here you can see in some in cell is here mentioned. So now here I'm remove this filter. Okay. Then if you change here the product name, the profit will be changed. Suppose I select this product and paste here, then see here the profit will change. Now I want to just cross check this amount of profit as per this product. Just I select this and just enter the 1967. Okay, and just enter. Now check the profit total amount 38.88. Again I remove this filter. Here you can see 38.88. That's it. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.